This video demonstrates how to use Mono Slab EZ Form to quickly create shallow insulated foundations. Begin by excavating to plus or minus 1/2 inch from grade. Prep pad with 2 to 4 inches of gravel per IRC and IBC code. The entire building footprint can be excavated, or a trench-style excavation can be performed. The project site should be level and square with perimeter stakes and layout properly established. Mono Slab EZ Form is available in a variety of configurations. The adjustable form is 16 inches in width, 16 inches in height, and 8 feet in length. The form is shipped with a filler block, which is placed at the toe of the form, and 3 EPS extension pieces, which can be used in combination with a 2x12 screed board and the included level up brackets to accommodate a height of up to 20 inches. Extension pieces are perforated for easy splitting and are placed at the toe of the form to bring the total width up to 31¼ inches. The commercial form is 24 inches in width, 24 inches in height, and 8 feet in length. Interior forms are also available. Beginning at a corner, place the first EZ Form in position to rough level extending past the corner as shown. Place the next EZ Form, butting it in firm contact with the previous form. Using the built-in screed board recess in the form, place 2x8 or 2x12 screed boards. Stagger the boards across the form joints with a minimum 24-inch extension past any form joint. Secure the forms using 2 stakes per form. Repeat the process to complete the form placement. Trim forms at corners as shown. Lightly backfill the exterior up to the bottom of the lumber covering all EPS foam. Starting at the highest point in the foundation, lift the screed board to perfect level as required. Secure screed boards with level up extension brackets using 2 3-inch screws per bracket. At screed board intersections, fasten butt joints using 3 3-inch grabber screws. Insert the EPS extension so it's level with the screed board, trimming if necessary, and secure the extension using a 3-inch screw every 4 feet on center. Any gap between the EPS extension and the form should then be filled using expandable foam. Prepare and pour the interior slab. Remove screws, level up brackets, and screed boards to complete installation. For more information and installation guides, visit monoslabezform.com.